You want to save me. But who'd do the same for you? Tremors for thunder. Classic spawn bolts. Master arm to keep you. Otherwise I have finished you off. Yield to your true self. Stubborn as a stone, my world is rested on you. Now that my persuasion's failed, you'll go back to the pagoda and be remade. The clouds surge and shiver with thunder. Thunder. Classic on bolt. Master's right. Monkeys are set in their ways. Still, though, you'll never crack the gold symbol.
so long. Constipation. I was nearly cooked alive in there. Move it. Blasted eyesore. Wasn't even worth my second glance back in the court. That same look again. A furry coat and a pinched face. Luck's all you've got. Great, another mute. Whatever. Let's not dally. Now the turtle and I have shared a few tales. That Yellowbrow is not like her foes. That old monkey from Mount Quagua asked me to back you up here to see his ugly tricks. He told me that once we gathered all 6 relics, we could bring Wukong back. Let's say I'd buy it for now. I'll go and catch up with him first. You take a look around. No more dawdling, boy. Bringing Wukong back is what matters most. My old friend! You must have had it rough all these years in this shithole! Rest easy! Once we're ashore, I'll take down that blasted temple to avenge you and Brother Snake! I hear you! Dead or alive, all suffer the same. You'd be better off staying a stone. Come on, cut the whips and wines, will you? You're too old for those. Yes, stop the sobbing. Stay here and wait. I'll check on your snake